Yep. Video that pin, I'll go ahead and pick it up. It doesn't have really any play at all. No, I don't think so. Don't stop it just yet. I'm going to open the hood and just show them. Or actually, I'll walk around it. Kind of the tracks, sprockets. Sounds really good. That pin didn't have like any play at all. Yeah, I didn't see it move at all whenever I was looking at it a minute ago. Don't see any cylinder leaks. This cylinder here, the main one on the big boom, the first section of boom, it may be seeping a little. It's wet. That's the only thing. That's really the only thing I see. May need a little bit of adjustment whenever you pull the levers and tracking. It's like it turns a little bit. It doesn't quite track straight, but I mean, it's not bad. It's just, you know, not quite straight whenever. AC's cold.